Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to adjust our screen color's intensity in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for our screen color adjustments? We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility menu right here, and under Visibility Enhancements we have our color adjustments. When we go here, first we need to enable this option at the top to turn on color adjustments, and here we have a few options. We have grayscale, we have a few other options. We have also our picture there, so we can see changes and we can change intensity here. So for example, as you can see, the change is very much visible, so we can adjust it here for any of these options right there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.